Right, Danish Army pistol test 1.5. It's basically the same as the first one, but it incorporates draws and transitions and other part times. Let me see, what do I have part time here? So the first one is weekend, 5 meters, part time, 3 seconds, 5 meter. Okay, 220. 223. 199. 214. 'Last string. Okay, 201. 'Okay, I'm gonna get ready for the next string. Next string is 10 meters, strong hand only. 5 strings of 2 shots, 4-second part time. Pistol in holster, hands in surrender position. On signal engage, target with 2 shots each. Part time, 4 seconds. Tick, 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 tick. Yes. Strong hand only. That was 365. And that was in the Bravo Charlie zone. 365. Oh, 344. Getting dangerously close to the non-scoring border. Okay. Oh, I got one miss. God damn it. 350. Oh, that was low. 343. Final string. Oh, that was a line break. Okay. Next string is at 10 yards, freestyle. 5 strings to 3 shots each, 4-second part time. Start position is pistol holstered, hands in surrender position. On signal, draw pistol. 1 shot against Alpha 2, 2 shots against Alpha 1 from. So Alpha 2 is a pelvic region. Let's show that here. Pelvic region, 1 shot, 2 shots. Yeah, I got 2 line breaks and 1 miss. Not cool. Right, 10 meters, 3 strings. Yeah. Part time is again 4 seconds. Oops. 10 meters. $371. $338. What is this? Okay. Extract the thingy. Alright, gotta work on that first. I'll be back. Okay, I am back. The extractor pin had moved out, so I just hammered it back. And we are in condition 1. Ready for the 2 last strings. That was a 333, by the way. Okay. That was the 381. First shot at 240. Okay. And a miss in the pelvic region. Great. Okay. $350. Okay, I'm just gonna load max for the last 2 strings. Loaded, gun is hot. Next string is 18 meters, 5 strings of 2 shots. 4-second part time. Start position, pistol holds the hands, surrender position. On signal engage and target with 2 shots. 18 meters. Oh, 22. Par time. 4 seconds. Right, I'm just gonna okay, stand by. That was not the best I've ever shot. 345. $335. Oh. $318. $308. Ah! God damn it. Easy now. 325. Okay. Okay, we're at 25 meters. Par time, 3 seconds. Was at 236. $240. Ah, that was not a good shot. 266. $247. Alrighty, that was the end of the Danish Army pistol test 1.5. I did not go above par times at any time, but I have 2 misses. So, actually I have 3 misses. There's a line break. Those are line breaks. Okay, so